Our Berry Repair and Moisture Lock is one of our favorite moisturizers, a fan favorite. And a little secret, Wendy, it's Dr. Helen Torok's favorite moisturizer as well. So I would like to let you know maybe just a couple of key features on why it's everyone's fan favorite. One of them would be ceramides. Our ceramides are medical grade, and we all know that ceramides are proven to provide intense nourishment. It also helps repair our skin barrier.
Yes, absolutely. I mean, I love it. It's usually one of the first things I go to. I like it, again, because it does have the ability to work for combination skin too, because it's not too heavy, but yet I'm dry, dehydrated type, and it's moisturizing enough for me. Plus, I like the anti-aging value that's in it. It helps with lines, wrinkles, the texture, the tone, everything.
You're rushing me. I have another key ingredient. Our second key ingredient that I think we need to talk about is our peptides. Now, the peptide complex is also medical grade. And with the peptide, what we're talking, it's going to plump your skin. It's going to help support the collagen appearance, and it's going to make the fine lines and wrinkles disappear a little. The third key ingredient that I love is the green tea polyphenols. Now, that is the most powerful, effective antioxidant that is available to us. It helps to soothe and calm the skin in an instant. So those three together are one of the many reasons that the Berry Repair Moisture Lock is my favorite, Dr. Helen's favorite.
Yes, so as I was mentioning before, I love to mix it with my retinol. Retinol can sometimes be a little tough, depending on the person, and it's a good anti-inflammatory, and it also hydrates and moisturizes the skin because it can be a little drying.
So the Berry Repair Moisture Lock is that go-to moisturizer. The price is right. This is the best deal.
Shop hhscience.com, or you can shop direct from this video with our Facebook shop, or you can call us or stop in any of our boutique locations.